I am Khurram Shahzad and I will discuss about matrices. Matrix is a two-dimensional array. This data is two-dimensional, so we can write it as a matrix. Matrices are denoted by capital alphabets. If we change the order of the elements, then these matrices are not equal. Horizontal lines of a matrix are known as rows and vertical lines of a matrix are known as columns. Order of the matrix is considered as R cross C. If R is equal to C, then it is a square matrix. General form of the matrix is denoted as this. Algebra of matrices. Two matrices can be added or subtracted only if their orders are same. If we have A and B matrices, then A plus B and A minus B is calculated as this. In scalar multiplication, each element of the matrix is multiplied by the scalar. For example, minus 3 is multiplied by the matrix C in this way. Two matrices can be multiplied only if columns of the first matrix is equal to the rows of the second matrix. If A is of M by n order and B is of n by p order, then the resulting matrix AB is of order m by p. To multiply A and B, each row of A is multiplied by all columns of B. For example, A and B are two matrices, then AB is calculated in this way. Determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. If we have a matrix A, then the determinant of A is the multiplication of the diagonal elements minus the multiplication of off diagonal elements. For example, if we have A is a matrix, then determinant of A is equal to minus 22. Minor of each element of the matrix. If A is the matrix, then for example M21 is calculated as this. We omit second row and first column. For M32 we omit third row and second column. For M13 we omit first row and third column. Cofactor of each element is calculated as minus 1 raised to power I plus j and mij, the determinant of mij. Minus 1 raised to power I plus j is plus 1 if I plus j is even, and minus 1 if I plus j is odd. Determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. If we have a matrix which is of order 3 by 3, then determinant of A is calculated by R1 and or C3 or any row or any column. Then we have determinant of A mod is equal to, if we expand it by R1 and C3 and so on. Another method to calculate determinant, if we have A matrix, then we write all the columns of A, then first two columns again, the diagonals of these three lines will be multiplied minus these three lines. This is the determinant. Thank you.